Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is configuration. Now, configuration, at a C1 level, is a noun that refers to the arrangement of parts or elements in a specific form, figure, or combination. It describes how things are organized or set up. Think of it as the particular way components are put together to create a whole. You'll often find it used in technical contexts, but it's also applicable to everyday situations where arrangement matters. To understand configuration better, let's look at some synonyms. One useful synonym is arrangement. For example, the arrangement of the furniture in the room created a more spacious feel. Another synonym is layout. Consider this sentence. The layout of the website made it easy to navigate. We can also use formation. The soldiers stood in a precise formation during the parade. A further synonym is structure. In the sentence, the structure of the building was innovative and modern. Structure conveys a similar meaning to configuration. Another fitting synonym is composition. For instance, the composition of the team was carefully considered to maximize their skills. Now, let's explore the opposite side of the coin and look at some antonyms of configuration. One antonym is disarray, which implies a lack of order. We could say, the room was in complete disarray after the party. Another antonym is chaos, which suggests a state of utter confusion and lack of control. An example would be, the stock market experienced chaos after the unexpected announcement. We can also use disorganization as an antonym. The office suffered from chronic disorganization, leading to inefficiencies. Another suitable antonym is jumble. For example, her thoughts were a jumble after the shocking news. Similarly, confusion can act as an antonym. The sentence, "There was confusion among the passengers due to the delayed flight," shows how confusion opposes the idea of a set arrangement. So how can you use configuration in everyday life? Well, think about setting up your phone or computer. You might talk about the initial configuration settings. You could say, I need to change the configuration of my email account. Or consider arranging a meeting. You might discuss the configuration of the meeting room, meaning the setup of tables and chairs. Even planning a garden involves configuration. You could say, I'm thinking about the configuration of plants in my garden bed. When discussing computer software, you can refer to the software configuration as the specific settings that make the software to run in a certain way. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. The optimal configuration for the server required more memory. The pilot adjusted the aircraft's configuration for landing. The interior designer proposed a new configuration for the living room. The factory's assembly line required a specific configuration to maximize efficiency. Understanding the system's configuration is crucial for troubleshooting problems. The default configuration is suitable for most users. He tweaked the configuration settings to improve performance. The configuration management team ensures consistency across all systems. The network configuration allows for seamless data transfer. The chef experimented with different configuration of spices to achieve the perfect flavor. To summarize, configuration refers to the arrangement of parts or elements. Its synonyms include arrangement, layout, formation, structure, and composition, while its antonyms include disarray, chaos, disorganization, jumble, and confusion. Remember, it's a useful word in various contexts, from technology to everyday planning. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. And now, here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word configuration and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.